Okay, today I'm gonna make a marble-like patterns on a sphere that can also be animated. And let's do that in using making a contour and project it on a sphere to make a marble-like pattern. So let's start from making a geometry. Delete the file and make a sphere first as a base geometry. Let's make it polygon and make it high res a bit, and yeah, around this is fine, I think. Maybe 10 is okay. Okay, and let's make the sphere wavy first, using a wrangle, using a point wrangle. And let's use a noise document to make a wavy surface. Okay, let's make a noise value using noise from a point position, and then the center of the sphere is on 0, 0, 0, so the position of the point itself is the normal value of the sphere should be. So let's make an offset vector, which is a normalize vector of the position, and offset vector times equal the value itself. The value from a noise is between 0 to 1, so I want to multiply it by some specific value. I guess I can make it a parameter. So let's make a null, color it, and let's name it controller. And let's have the value called wave height. From 0 to, I guess 10 is fine. And also, let's have the parameter for the radius of the sphere. Okay, from 1 to 10. Let's copy the parameter. The radius. Let's paste the radius to here. Yeah, it's working. And let's copy the wave height parameter and paste it here. And let's change this to CHF since it's a float. And finally, change, increment the point by the offset vec. Yep. Looks good. Also, let's have one more parameter called noise seed. From 0 to 1 is fine, I guess. Let's make it 1, 0 to 2. And apply, accept, and copy this parameter. Let's just copy this. And enter noise seed here. Yeah. Let's have more ranges, 0 to 5. And let's have more resolution here. Okay, this sounds good. This looks good. Now, next I want to make a contour of this wave geometry. So I have this height, wave height that starts from the radius of the sphere plus the wave height. So I think I can make a bunch of spheres with in between this base radius to the radius plus the wave height. So let's have a for loop. And let's see, I can have another parameter to set how many layers we want. Say from 1 to 30 maximum. Name it number of layers, num layer. And paste it to the iteration. And now I think I can start from null here. I can just say empty and make a sphere. Let's show the geometry spreadsheet. And let's make it polygon. Ah. Seems like I cannot change the radius here. I think I should do like this. Merge this with and think I should merge it. Maybe its feedback edge iterations might be okay. And let's copy the radius. This. And let's have this frequency copied so that it's same as this. And what else? Oh yeah, also let's copy the wave height. Also, let's create a matter import node and connect. I guess don't need to connect it. I just need to access to the detail info of the what iteration it is. Then plus times detail repeat begin metadata and duration divided by the maximum number of the count. And it gives me some errors, so something must be wrong. Bad parameter reference, zeroing parameter. Okay. So it shouldn't be like 0. So why am I getting 0? Okay, so I have the channel control radius plus channel height wave times detail iterations. What if Wait. Wave height. Wave height is 3. And detail, duration. What? Okay. The current iteration is 0, so the 0 is fine. And divided by okay, let's see if it works. Let's copy paste to XYZ, all XYZ for the radius, and not sure if this works like this. And merge this. What if I show wireframe? Okay. Seems too big. Okay, so I have the radius. It's and the wave height as detail iteration. If I look like this. Let's cut all these. Looks pretty big already. Huh. How come it looks so big here? Oh yeah. Yeah. Now I have all these spheres laid out in a and so I want to use these spheres plus the base surface, the base mesh, to make an intersection to get a contour curve. And I think I can use a boolean for that. And let's have a seam. Yep, that's what I want. And let's name the base sphere base. And let's project those curves to the base. Let's try using the ray. I want to rate these seams to the base and use the minimum distance, and something goes wrong. Looks really wrong. How about the project? Not sure how this works, but yeah, I guess it's not. I guess it's better that if I could project a pointer. Since it doesn't work. Okay. Let's give an attribute to the point. And let's make a point wrangle. And to each point, let's add a normal. Minus normalize point position. And what? I don't understand. I don't get why this kind of thing happens. Let's first try to fuse. What if I change this to not to polygon but to what if I make it the poly primitive? Nope, doesn't work. Not really sure why this happens. Oh. Point section distance. Ah, this seems to work. Oh. Wait. Okay, let's have this as a base, then convert. What if I change this to primitive? Nope, doesn't work, so I should keep this. Per polygon. Wait, if I make it to 10, 10, maybe this V doesn't do anything. And let's copy this and replace with this one. Shoot. Ah, doesn't work. Maybe I should delete this channel and okay. Now I have some necessary setup. What if I make this to 10? Still looks okay. Let's have more layers. Yeah, 20 might be okay. Okay, now let's make this into three-dimensional marble pattern. First, let's convert the polygon, the sphere polygon to VDB. Convert VDB from polygon. And then let's refine the curve or resample. Huh. It looks a bit weird. Do I have a double curve here? No. And smooth it out. Yeah. And this is all good. Let's convert these points to VDB as well. VDB from particle. The radius is a bit too big. And let's change the volume size. The radius. Maybe I should also resample a little bit with the smaller point distribution. A bit more. Okay. Maybe I need more resolution. 0.01. Yep, looking good. and a bit smaller, I guess. Yep. And finally, this is 0.01 and this is 0.1, so I think I should make it the same value and do a PDV combine of this, make a SDF the difference. Yep. Difference is the best, I guess. And finally, let's have a BDP smooth. Yeah, looking good. And let's convert VDV, convert it into polygon. Let's make a parameter for the radius of the pipe. Let's name it pipe radius. From 0 to 1. And paste it to okay. And finally I wanna animate this marble pattern by the timeline. So what can I do? What can I change to animate? I'm gonna use the parameter. I think what I can use is the value for the noise seed. Let's add one more parameter for the animation. Or I can just directly let's just name it timeline scale. Timeline scale. copy this. No, I don't have to copy this. I just need to copy these times frame times timeline scale. So it is changing. But I am not sure. Let's change this a little bit bigger. Doesn't look good. Yeah, still good. Okay, so let's change this to timeline scale to 0.0. So yeah, the times looks okay. Let's make it 0.01. Let's make a flipbook with these settings. Let's color this to make it easy to see the changes. Okay, let's make a flipbook. Okay, I paused and resumed so that I didn't have to wait for the rendering to finish. So this is how it looked like if I animate it. It's pretty good, looks pretty good. So let's name it like animated marble pattern. Okay, this is it. Thank you.